Really. It's starting already.
So what you're saying is, everything I know is changing?
Can this wait till next year?
Magical, enchanted Tuscany. When I get back, it will all be done.
I'll get everyone's coffee for a year if I don't have to do this.
Converting to ICD-10, it's like the first day of school.
And we're already behind.
How many new procedure codes?
76 with 3 zeros?
Immense.
Costly.
Difficult. How?
How?
How are we going to do this?
Just shoot me.
We have to do this with somebody. So it's gotta be somebody we know and trust.
Hey, I know that tree.
It's the Elsevier tree.
Our company has been with Educode for, what, 20 years?
And now they're part of the tree.
Smart coders use Elsevier e-learning to get credentialed.
And my staff went through college with Buck Books and Mosby's.
That's another branch of the tree.
And our doctors got their head start with Elsevier clinical publications.
We use the Elsevier Performance Manager as our learning management system.
It's the gold standard.
And you know the best thing?
Elsevier listens.
We have to.
We have to.
We have to do this with somebody.
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 So we're going to do it with someone we know and trust.
It's the biggest transition since Y2K. In fact, it's bigger. It's the long and winding journey to ICD-10. It's not just an HIM issue or an accounting concern. It's a potentially bumpy ride that affects productivity, accuracy, staffing, and many of your costs. But you can get there safe and sound. With Elsevier as your navigator, you'll set aside your fears and set your sights on the many benefits of ICD-10 that wait down the road. And the Elsevier roadmap is how you'll get there. It's your step-by-step guide from evaluation to planning to action to management. And like a nav system, it's easy to follow and loaded with ideas, education, and resources to ensure success.
Just tell me how you're going to get me there.
Well, let's start with Phase 1, and Elsevier's detailed ICD-10 readiness assessment. It makes it easy for managers to assess individuals or their entire organization to understand where they are and where they need to be on October 1st, 2013.
The tests generate instant reports. This is great.
Then, Educode ICD-10 Essentials introduces CM and PCS coding fundamentals.
I'm already an Educode customer, so I'm getting Educode ICD-10 coding education for free.
That makes it an easy choice.
Steering into Phase 2, your ICD-10 education begins with Elsevier's all-new Educode Clinical Documentation Improvement Curriculum and the interactive, indispensable Human Body Essentials.
That sounds like the right education at the right time.
This is excellent. Free white papers and webinars to help me plan. This is perfect for my implementation team.
As we pass the Phase 3 milestone, you'll prepare to go live with timely, specialty-specific ICD-10 education and with Educode Reimbursement Essentials.
I can actually see the light at the end of the tunnel.
We're getting there, aren't we?
All along the way, the Elsevier Performance Manager keeps a record of all your e-learning and gives you the timely reporting you need to track progress and measure success. From analytics to staffing decisions, it's all easier because you know you spent your dollars wisely and gave your staff the education they needed along the way.
All that data is going to support my decision to go with Elsevier.
When you think about it, ICD-10 is just around the bend.
This is not the time to try an upstart e-learning company.
With Elsevier, we're going to get there.